Very good afternoon to all of you. We are on the fifth day of IMTEX 2022, and today we are going live 360 from HSG Laser Technologies, where they are exhibiting in Hall 4. They are having one of the biggest stall in the exhibition. We can have a look at the stall. You can see almost all the people are engaged with the customers. So you can see the HSG, different machines which they have put the posters out here. So these are all big tube cutting and laser cutting machines which HSG offers, and where laser technologies are offering it across India. So it's a big stall, and you can see this was the HSG machine, the 23 kilowatt machine which we did the live tech before 2 days. Today and tomorrow are also IMTEX will be there. So if you have not yet visited the laser technologies and HSD stall here at Bangalore, now also you are having an opportunity to come and visit and see their offerings to the laser cutting and metal forming solutions what laser technologies are offering here in IMTEX. Let's go and check with the laser technologies team. Hi, Yash, how are you? And hi, Rekha. How is things? How is things happening?
We are doing great.
Please come.
Hi. We are doing great. How are you?
We are doing great, Yash. And thanks, we had a wonderful live tech last time.
We did had a really amazing tech session. I hope the audience enjoyed it.
Yeah, definitely.
It might be insightful for you.
It was insightful. It was very interesting. The kind of spirit what you carry on, and it inspires everyone.
What kind of experience are you having here in MSMEs? Like you have been covering it from since day one.
Yes, we are covering from day one. It was a wonderful experience. A lot of technologies which for as a we are not technical people, right?
But I really like to appreciate the fact that you guys are coming. You guys are covering this. The people who were not able to join us, they can at least have a glimpse. They can at least have a view like what's happening, what's going on. So it's really good.
Yesterday also we were able to see that, including Rega. Please come, Rega. So people, women in your laser technology stall operating a machine which normally we never seen anywhere. So, and whenever we came to your stall, there were always people around. There was always people around. And it is 5 days here in IMTEX. How do you feel at IMTEX?
इट वाज लाइक अमेजिंग. मैं लास्ट ईयर भी आई थी, तो मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि इस बार भी जाना है और मशीन ऑपरेट किया है. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो नई नई सीखने मिली. इट वाज नाइस.
One thing I'd really like to appreciate about her, when we just told her that you have to operate the machine, would you like to do it? She never said no. It is like too much it, and I would like to do because this is not the thing that girls plan to do. They all like to like look good and do all that pretty things.
But this is not something what we heard yesterday, because I should appreciate your director Pankti for that. She was very clear. We are not just beautiful. We are intelligent.
They are intelligent.
They are intelligent, and they empower and they make other people. We have seen many people looking at you people. You know what these women are doing here, and you people have done a great job. And yes, how is the exhibition going for you?
Exhibition for now has been really amazing. It has been great. There have been so much people coming, so much good discussion, so many new clients, so many new people to know, and so much to learn from them. I like to share a story. One of my customers, he just visited and he showed me how we can use our machine at a in a much better way. Like he had to do that hemming kind of thing. So he said you should do V-grooving first and then you should bend it so you can form a hemming. We never thought it that way. So we know that Indian people have that jugaad mentality.
True.
this jugaad mentality is so amazing that this jugaad mentality, like, it tends us to invent new things. So that's what you are experiencing here, and it has been amazing. It has been amazing.
Jugaad was always there in our mind. That is nothing but innovation. But these innovations, when we are trying to take it for the whole community, it is Jugaad not just for us. When we do it for an whole community, develop that as a bigger solution, comes these kind of bigger machines.
Becomes an invention.
It becomes an invention.
Right.
So I'm sure that the customers and you, the way your entire team, including Ragesh ji and you people, go way out and give an experience and give the solutions to customers are amazing.
I would say one thing. People say that we teach customers, like we tell them, but I'll be frank, customer come and they tell us, they just tell us new ways in which we can use our product. They tell us new requirements, which inspire us to manufacture new things, which inspire us to discover new ways, which inspire us to form this kind of machines.
So already we have seen the HSG machine 23 kilowatt. We can go once again if it is required. But there are so many other machines HSG offers.
We do have.
So I think you also have so many products like cut by the HSG machines. If you can just give us a technical presentation on this.
Okay, I'll elaborate about it. So basically, these are the samples that you can see. I have my guy Dhananjay.
Hi Dhananjay.
He's our service head, and he's the one who has created all this.
Okay.
So he know much better about it. So I'll prefer for him to tell it.
Hi Dhananjay, welcome to Machine Maker. And can you tell me what you have displayed here?
Here I have few samples of different thickness
Hmm.
and on different kind of machines. So you can see some good samples like these are cut on 12 kilowatt machines.
Okay.
So some of pipe cutting machines also samples out there.
Okay.
So you can see some the samples are cut on tube cutting machines.
Okay. This is a pipe cutting machine.
Yes, yes. Tube cutting machine.
And can you just explain how this is done? The process.
Normally we have some big length of tube. So with that we on the machine and we have design. That design we did on the machine and we, the output we can use this like this.
So you are telling that you don't have to do anything inside the machine.
No.
You only need to put a
Only design.
only design. So that's amazing.
Yes.
Okay. And what about this particular product?
This also is very simple. Just put the sheet, make the design, and with that you can get the output. We can get this.
Which is the machine, like which this is a laser cutting, right? And
Laser cutting. Because we have this machine here, same machine. So with the same machine, we can make the design.
okay. And which is this material?
This is brass material.
Brass material. So which are the materials you can cut in this?
We can cut MS, carbon steel, SS, glass, aluminum, copper. All this material we can cut.
And the thickness?
Thickness varies with the power.
Okay.
So different, like if you normally what we get the input from the customer, how much thickness you want to cut. According to that, we will suggest them the proper power. So according to the thickness only the power is varying. So power we have till 40 kilowatt.
40 kilowatt.
Starting from 1 kilowatt to 40 kilowatt.
So what is the difference? Why the difference of this power?
Because only for thickness and the speed.
Thickness and speed.
Because nowadays people want the production, high volume. So if the customer is having high volume, they have to go with the high power. So depending on the power, depending on the volume, like how much quantity they have produced, depending on the thickness, so we suggest them the proper suitable power for the requirement.
How many range of machines you have? If you can tell that if a customer comes to HSG and laser technologies, how much number of the models of laser cutting machines and tube cutting machines you have?
So many models. Like sheet cutting, we have around 10 to 15 models, depending on different power, different sheet size. So depending on customer input, we'll give them the proper.
What are the technical challenges people face normally when taking a?
Main challenge is like accuracy. Because people normally in the market there are so many types of machines, but to get the accuracy, they have to select the proper machine. So we have our machine will give very good accuracy, very good quality, The production speed also very good.
Okay. So what is this you have
So
displayed?
here you can see this is the glass, this is the MS, this all are SS. This is a high thickness MS. Okay. This we have cut on the air.
Air, can you just explain when you are telling about air, what is the difference between air and
With the high power we go with the air cutting to certain thickness to get the high speed.
okay,
So, people go with the, but if you compare with the oxygen and air cutting is in terms of in case of MS carbon steel, certain thickness if I take 20 kilowatt machine till 14 mm, if we prefer to go with the air cutting 14 mm.
you are talking about compressed air?
Compressed air, yes.
Okay, okay,
Compressed air we can cut till 14 mm in 20 kilowatt machine.
okay.
So we'll get a good speed.
And what about oxygen?
Oxygen we can cut till 20 kilowatt machine we can cut till 60 mm with oxygen. So in that case above 14 mm we come and go with that oxygen.
So anyone who would like to start a small laser cutting shop, to the people who need high precision, fast cuttings for automotive, aerospace, or any kind of application, sheet metal applications, they can come to Laser Technologies. This is wonderful. And
You can see some more good samples here. This is for the interior. For the interior people, you can see this design. So very simple. This you can see we made some 3D design also.
okay,
The laser only.
so how this is done? This was
This is made in a single sheet. Different parts are made. You can see, and all are assembled to get this 3D shape.
okay.
We can make so many ideas. All depends on the idea. In terms of in case of interior, so many designs.
So I know it will be very difficult for you to bring a lot of machines.
One more sample. I wanted to say. This is cut on the bevel cutting head.
Okay,
Bevel cutting head means the cutting head nozzle can move. Like normally, if you see this machine, it will cut in the straight head form. But here the cutting head can tilt. Cutting head can tilt and can get this shape.
this is very good. And but how much is the thickness?
This thickness is around 16 mm.
Okay, okay,
16 mm.
okay. So there are a lot of applications, wide range of applications, different metals. So laser cutting is, we cannot just explain in one, and it have,
I can show you one more
see
sample
another. This also cut
with a tube cutting machine.
one operation,
One operation.
and so thin cutting.
Yes, we can do one tube cutting machine. Like this. Oh, sorry. No. Like this, so many options. So many.
So this is also one time, or is it an assembled?
Yeah, but 3 pieces assembled to get this.
And everything is cut in HSD machine.
All samples.
Okay, and this one
This also
welded
from the no, it's not welding. It's the cutting. Single cutting. You can see in single sheet, it's cut to get this.
Okay,
So here what we are showing, we can cut in a thick sheet. We can cut this thin wall thickness. But this we are showing this sample.
so how the visitors here, when they are seeing all these kind of cutting, what are their response?
Seeing this cutting, they also get some ideas for their own application. But this also we can do. But sometimes customer is having some problem, but they don't know what is the solution. After coming here, we suggest them what is the proper solution for them. We are showing them our samples. So with the samples also, they are getting some ideas.
So they are able to see the applications, what they are looking at, and then they can decide. Okay, thank you very much, Dhananjay, for giving us this information. I think you also have other products which is there.
Having other products.
Okay,
Like we can show you one more product here.
okay,
It's our marking machine.
okay,
So this is basically to mark on metal
okay.
and some of the plastics.
Mm-hmm.
So basically for the what you see some branding, like some if you want to do branding on your product, so like naming, nameplate, all these things you can make on this machine.
Can you just get this operated right now? Is it a possibility?
I will call the person operating this machine. I will operate this.
Yeah, you can please go ahead. So Dhananjay is giving us a live demo of this product. It's a very simple, I think, to operate.
For the frame, so you can place your material according to the frame, and you have to just set the height. Here we have the marking like that. This height you have to set. Okay. After my position is fixed, I will just start the marking.
It's just happening. I thought it will take some time.
Same like you have to input a design, or if you want to type some text, like now I have typed the text here, and I will start the marking. Very simple. Like any person who knows basic computer operating, he can operate the machine.
So you are telling that you can put my name and cut and give me one small nameplate of
Yes,
mine?
yes, yes.
Is it a possibility?
Yes, yes, I can give.
Yeah, my name is Harishankar. Please help me doing that.
I will mark your name.
By the time I will finish this event, I am sure that I am going to
Sure,
get kind of a gift
Yes, yes,
where I will be able to put that
definitely,
with a magnet.
definitely.
This is excellent. Thank you, Dhananjay,
Thank you.
for explaining about the different, how laser cutting can be done in different complex materials, complex designs.
Yes.
And I'm sure many people who are looking at laser solutions will get the right machines from Laser Technologies and HSG. Thank you very
With
much.
laser, there is no limit. You can do anything. Yes.
Laser Technologies, there is no limit. You
Yeah.
can do everything.
Yes.
I wish
Thank
you all
you.
the very best. Another 2 days are there
Yes. Yes.
in the show.
Yeah.
Thank you very
Thank
much
you.
for
Thank
talking
you.
with us.
Thank you.
I am going back to Yash. Yash is the rock star we are having here. And Yash, we are back. We are back with you. So we spoke to Dhananjay, and Dhananjay spoke to us about the different materials he shown, and then he shown the laser marking, and that happened within a minute or two. I also heard that Laser Technologies recently launched this consumables.
Yes, actually, we have recently launched our website. It's an e-commerce website where we are selling our laser consumables. You know, like many regions, like there is Nagpur, there is Nashik, then other regions where there are few machines like 1, 2, 5. Many remote locations like Latur, Akola, and here I am talking about only Maharashtra. Pan India, there are so many places where there is no reach of any dealer or no consumables available, but people do have machines there. For us to reach to them, we have developed a platform which is a laser consumable platform. So laserconsumableltplindia.com. We'll be sharing the link.
Laser consumable?
I'll share the link.
Okay.
So basically, we have the laser consumable platform from our side where we keep everything in stock. So everything you want, anything you want, we have it in stock, and we have we have tabs with many people, and we have been providing everyone in the industry, at least in cities like Pune, in Mumbai, in Gujarat, everywhere, in Ahmedabad, Surat, Rajkot. Our reach is like everywhere. Bangalore, Hyderabad. You name the city and we have our client there. So it's like that. Our vision is to provide people, is to serve people in the best way possible. So now we are focusing on the people where people are not, where others are not reaching. So we want to reach and serve them. We know the output would be minimal, but our vision is to serve, not to earn. You serve and eventually end up earning. So that's what our vision has been.
So we will be putting out the laser consumables website ID out.
Definitely.
From
in
where
the description.
in the description, from where you will be able to order all the accessories,
Laser consumables.
laser consumable accessories,
Yes, yes, yes.
which help people not to stop their production.
Exactly. It's like food for your machine. It helps it work well.
So that is I think it's a great innovation you people have done. It's a very simple thing, but
So
very
very
thoughtful.
Right, right, right. When you think about people, people end up thinking about you, and our vision, our mission have helped us stand where we are today. So that brings the difference.
And just asking you, when customers, when coming and looking at the price of the machine and the kind of services or the different metal cutting parts which is showcased here, how people are, you know, taking orders or giving you orders?
I'll be frank. There is so much uncertainty in the market. Like same kind of product and huge price differences, but there are so many factors that are involved. Laser machine has thousands of components, and to make a perfect machine, a machine has to be perfectly engineered. Any machine that is over-engineered or under-engineered is useless. If you buy a over-engineered machine, you are just paying more for the technical things that you are not even using. So it's just idle, and you're not even using it, and you have paid for it. And when you use an under-engineered machine, eventually you end up not getting the output that you are expecting. So our vision is to provide customer with what exactly they need. In this way, we actually connect with the customer because they are happy. Our vision is to serve customer. We are not. I'll say we are not sales oriented. We are more service oriented company. So in our company, we focus more on serving people, helping them achieve more, finding new ways in which we can serve them. So this laser consumable website was the new way in which we have served our clients, and we are hoping to continue this and eventually put our mark globally.
This is wonderful, Yash, coming here, knowing about you. Again, as Yash told in the beginning, I want everyone to come to Laser Technologies and HSD stall here.
Definitely, we are
But-
expecting people to.
Yeah, but if not, if you are not able to come here, you can have a look at the massive place what you people put out here.
Definitely,
And I'm
definitely.
sure each and everyone who comes to this stall will have a happy face.
Definitely,
A great smile.
everyone gets something out of this exhibition. Everyone learns something new. Everyone plans something new. Everyone end up finding a new solution. And everyone who is coming to this stall or this exhibition live from here with a happy face, with a big smile on his face.
So I think we can go to.
Definitely, I'd like you to meet Mr. Rana Pratap Singh. Rana
Hello.
sir, I'll introduce him a little bit. He is he's VP in sales. He sits in Pune. He has been my mentor since I have been in the industry of laser. Like if I tell about him, he have taught me L of laser to R of laser. Have taught me every single thing that there is to learn about laser. So I'll hand over mic to him.
Thank you. Thank you.
So thank you for joining with us today in this live. Yash was talking about anything about laser is something what we can learn from you. There are in this IMTEX forming, there are a lot of people, there are a lot of options. Why a customer should come to HSG and Laser Technologies?
See, if we talk about laser, it's not a simple thing. It's very complicated as well. It's very simple. So both ways, it depends on the people, the customer, how they take it. Especially if we'll talk about our Pune market, because I sit in Pune, I take care of the western part, eastern part, and especially Pune is my core market. So my client base, the service is our USP. So if we sell laser, it's only because of our service. It's only because of our face value. It's us actually. So it's the whole team, entire team of Laser Technologies, and this is our core, expertise in service, and we only rely on service. Seriously, there's nothing more than service.
How was your last 5 days? Today is the 5th day. One more day to go. How is IMTEX for
Yeah,
you?
I'm awesome. We have been to many IMTEX, many expos in past 10 years, but so far so good. We have collected near about 50 odd orders, which is a huge number, which is a very good numbers. Market is impressively increasingly like very high, and people are going to high power. Especially, I'll appeal to Pune market as well, because southern part of India they have opted the high power laser. It's the time for Pune customers as well to opt high power and trust us. HSG, I believe we have marked an impression in the market. We are a renowned brand, and all together with laser technologies, it makes a superb deal.
Wherever I go, I see that laser technologies make a big mark, and that is happening because of people like you. And I'm sure that you are going to give that extra. You told that you are not here to sell, you are here to serve service. I seen one customer from Jeep Town yesterday, and I spoke to him, and it was a great
first customer.
first customer
Yeah.
of HSG, and
Yeah.
he's coming.
Still machine is running, yeah, since 8 years, and that's the beauty actually. See, machine is good. We always say machine can be like, it can be a best machine or good machine. What makes it a best machine is the service and the support. And if you see our tagline, we don't sell machine, we provide solution. So we are solution provider, and people know us by this only.
Thank you very much
Thank you.
for
Thanks
your
a lot.
time, and I wish you and everyone at HSG and Laser Technologies
Thank you.
great time at IMTEX 2022.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
us.
Thank
All
you.
the very best.
Yeah, thank you.
This is it from us, machine maker at Laser Technologies stall at IMTEX 2022. We will be joining with Laser Technologies maybe in IMTEX 2024 or any other nearby exhibition. Till then, thank you. Bye.